What's up, YouTube? My name's Justin. I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today, we're talking about sandbags, on how I basically put them together, what you're going to need. First things first, though, if you haven't already, you're going to go ahead and actually text this phone number on the bottom of the screen, and you're going to go ahead and subscribe to my monthly newsletter, because I'm going to give you a bunch of deals on inflatables, on sandbags, on concession machines, tents, tables, chairs, all kinds of stuff. Go ahead and sign up for that by texting the number below. Text hey, text whatever, say something provocative, it doesn't bother me. Sign up for the newsletter. You're going to get a text once a month with deals and information, and you're going to know where to buy things, the good stuff. Okay, everybody, so let's jump right into it. So what you're going to need to make your sandbags is some bags of sand. Then you're going to need some sandbags. Then what you're going to need is carabiners. Then you're also going to need some black garbage bags. And then I don't know where it went, but I had some tape. Yeah, you need some tape too. So you might ask, how much do sandbags cost? I got these from Tent and Table. They're like $13 or 130 of them for 10. The sand I got from Home Depot. It's like $4. The carabiners I got from a tent company that's local to me. They sell ratchets and all kinds of stuff like that. So I got those carabiners for like $1.20. And then the garbage bags, I think it's like $30 for a bag of 50. So I needed 2 of those. So it basically costs about $20 for each sandbag with all this material together. Okay, so we're going to get right into it, and I'll actually show you how you put them all together instead of just explaining it and putting it together. Go ahead and take your trash bag. Open that trash bag on up. This is Alex, by the way. You can call him Audie. What are you doing, Audie? Wait, see how he's putting in there and then just wrapping it around, so it just kind of adds like an extra layer. Boom. Tape's right behind you. And then make it flat, get a little bit ahead of it, go around over, just like that. I only put one piece on there like that. It kind of just keeps it in place and hold. It's already wrapped around twice. Then what's cool about these sandbags from Tent and Table is it's got this little flap. Pull that little flap out. Yep. You pull that little flap out, then you put it in. Then the flap also keeps sand from coming out the sandbag as well. Boom. Then you give it a tuck like that. Velcro's the front. There you go. I like this sandbag because it's got the handle on it, and it's got a spot for the carabiner as well. Just grab one of these carabiners. They want like $4 for just one of these in Home Depot. It's kind of ridiculous. Boom. Now we just got like 98 more to go. So, yeah, all in all, that's how you create a sandbag. So, yeah, this is a lot of sandbags. I got a giant event coming, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, so like I promised, I said I would show you what 100 sandbags looks like. Still sandbags over here. It's also filled with sandbags. I also got some new stickers for my trash cans and for my dunk tank. Go ahead and check out that video next.